Alright, so today I'm going to talk about a sales funnel. Now, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is basically a process that a prospect goes through before they buy a product, whether it's online or offline. And it's possible to have multiple funnels. So basically, the first step is usually when a prospect opts in an offer, whether it's online or offline. The next step is usually a cheap product, maybe like a $5 product. And the third step is usually additional courses, most likely advanced and more expensive. Then you get subscriptions such as newsletters, podcast subscriptions. That's usually next. Then the very tip of the triangle is usually the most expensive part. If you have any questions, please be sure to respond below, and otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!